Picture a backyard transformed into a green oasis, where every plant and flower adds to the beauty and tranquility of the space. Today, we're showcasing a backyard garden that invites you to relax and enjoy nature. Come along as we discover the charm and elegance of this stunning garden. Welcome to Green Home Living. Behind a cabin-style house, the rustic garden features wooden trellises supporting climbing roses and ivy, with wooden benches providing seating amidst the greenery, visible from the stone chimney house. In the backyard of a cozy cottage, an herb garden with raised planters is filled with basil, rosemary, thyme, and mint. A wooden bench provides a fragrant resting spot near the kitchen window. Behind a Victorian home, a vegetable garden with a trellis archway covered in climbing vines includes rows of vegetables and herbs, neatly organized in raised beds. Next to a coastal-style house with a wide veranda, the tropical garden has palm trees and a hammock, creating an exotic and lively atmosphere visible from the large windows. Next to a suburban home, the family-friendly backyard has a swing set and flowering shrubs, providing a safe and beautiful play area for children, visible from the back deck. Behind a traditional home, the Tranquil garden features a pond with water lilies and koi fish, surrounded by flowering plants and stones, creating a serene setting. Behind a minimalist house with large windows, this tranquil Zen garden features raked gravel, smooth stones, and traditional stone lanterns, surrounded by bamboo and a small wooden bench. Behind a farmhouse, the self-sustaining backyard has a well-maintained vegetable patch and a small chicken coop, providing fresh produce and eggs, easily monitored from the wraparound porch. Behind a suburban home, the garden is designed to attract pollinators, with butterfly bushes, milkweed, and nectar-rich plants, all visible through the large windows. Behind a traditional house with French doors, the shaded backyard patio under a pergola covered in vines is perfect for outdoor dining and relaxation, with a warm glow from the house's windows. Next to a Craftsman-style home, the backyard features a stone patio and raised flower beds filled with seasonal blooms, creating a lively and inviting space. Behind a contemporary home, the backyard patio includes an outdoor kitchen and dining area, surrounded by lush greenery and flowers, perfect for entertaining. Next to a Craftsman-style home, the small backyard greenhouse is filled with potted plants and seedlings. A nearby potting bench offers a workspace, with easy access from the back porch. Behind a modern suburban home, the backyard features a cozy fire pit area surrounded by comfortable seating, with string lights creating a warm atmosphere visible from the sliding glass doors. Next to a quaint farmhouse, the productive vegetable garden has raised beds and trellises supporting tomatoes, beans, and cucumbers, all contrasting beautifully with the white farmhouse. Thank you for watching our backyard garden tour. We hope it has given you plenty of ideas for your own outdoor space. Like, comment, and subscribe for more garden inspiration. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!